What if I told you that the key to unlocking the full potential of AI agents lies not in their intelligence, but in their ability to interact with humans seamlessly? This may come as a surprise to many, but the truth is that AI agents are only as good as the infrastructure that supports them. And when it comes to interaction infrastructure, most AI systems are still in their infancy. In this video, we'll explore the importance of AI-powered interaction infrastructure and provide a step-by-step guide on how to create one. From understanding the fundamentals of AI interaction to designing and implementing the latest AI technologies, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to take your AI agents to the next level, then keep watching.
So let's dive deeper into the world of AI interaction infrastructure. At its core, AI interaction infrastructure refers to the systems and protocols that enable AI agents to communicate with humans and other machines. This includes everything from natural language processing to computer vision and machine learning. The goal of AI interaction infrastructure is to create a seamless and intuitive experience for users, allowing them to interact with AI agents in a way that feels natural and effortless. To achieve this, we need to design an infrastructure that can handle the complexities of human communication, including nuances, context, and emotions. This requires a deep understanding of human behavior and psychology, as well as the latest advances in AI and machine learning.
Now, let's talk about the controversy surrounding AI interaction infrastructure. One of the biggest challenges facing the development of AI interaction infrastructure is the lack of standardization. With so many different AI systems and protocols out there, it can be difficult to create a unified infrastructure that works seamlessly across all platforms. This has led to a heated debate among experts, with some arguing that standardization is necessary for the advancement of AI, while others believe that it would stifle innovation. Another controversy surrounds the use of AI interaction infrastructure in areas such as customer service and tech support. While some see it as a way to improve efficiency and reduce costs, others are concerned about the potential loss of jobs and the dehumanization of customer service. As we move forward in the development of AI interaction infrastructure, it's essential that we address these concerns and create a framework that balances innovation with social responsibility.
So, what does the future hold for AI interaction infrastructure? As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see significant advancements in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. This will enable the creation of even more sophisticated AI interaction infrastructure, capable of handling complex tasks and providing a more human-like experience for users. We can also expect to see the widespread adoption of AI interaction infrastructure in industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the need for efficient and effective interaction infrastructure will become increasingly important. By investing in the development of AI interaction infrastructure, we can unlock the full potential of AI and create a future where humans and machines can work together seamlessly.
So, what can you do to start building your own AI-powered interaction infrastructure? First, start by understanding the fundamentals of AI interaction and the latest technologies available. Then, design an architecture that meets your specific needs and goals. Next, implement the latest AI technologies, such as natural language processing and machine learning. Finally, test and deploy your infrastructure, making sure it's scalable and secure. By following these steps, you can create an AI-powered interaction infrastructure that takes your AI agents to the next level. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology.